Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the VARSK brand. It's VARSK. This is a 2-in-1 cordless leaf blower, 460 cubic feet per minute at 85 miles per hour, one choice, or 125 cubic feet per minute at 190 miles per hour is another choice, depending on the barrels that are included. These two right here versus those two you see in the back right there. Now what's unique is it has different choices of Venturi, and that will maximize your leaf blower airflow, and that way you can pick where you want more speed or miles per hour, where you want more volume of air in terms of cubic feet. Sometimes things that are a little heavier than grass clippings and dry leaves, like wet leaves and mulch, require the slower speed and the more dense air. So you could experiment with this unit and you have a choice to work with what you need. And these concentrator tubes are really durable. We're going to show you how to assemble them. It's very easy. What you see is the unit in front of you right here. We're going to show close up. It has the power switch and a speed control. Comes with a very heavy duty 20-volt battery. This is 4 amp hour, and it's got a locking tab on there, which is really nice, and a status indicator. We're going to show how to use that. And it has a charger included that will charge this battery relatively fast. And this unit is lightweight. It's meant really for one-handed operation. It only weighs 3.9 pounds, and it's got a real ergonomic body. So you get less fatigue because you're not constantly holding a switch, and it seems to be very balanced also. The company does provide a nice instruction booklet for the model VAR 360, and it has a 36-month warranty from the manufacturer. Just contact them on the Amazon messaging system. There is a nice rubber grip on there also that will help keep your hand from being fatigued. So this battery, being 4 amp hours, is twice as long as what you typically get, so you're going to get a much longer time using this product. So it's very easy to charge the VAR 360. You just plug the included charger in. You'll see it blinking green there. It's waiting for the battery. You take the battery, and you see it's got the contacts right there, and it slides into the contacts just like that. And then the status goes to red, letting you know that it is charging the battery. The battery on the VAR 360 has a unique, nice feature. You hit that button right there, and it gives you the status of the batteries. You can see they're all lit, all four, so that means it's 100% charged. So here you can see that it's fully charged, and you get the green indicator. So the unit is really simple to operate. You take the included battery, and you can see its contacts there, and it has a push button that has a lock pin or lock tab, and then on the unit itself you can see the mating contacts right there. So you take the battery pack and you slide it in, and it locks in place, and then you're all set. Now let's take a look at the controls. Here is your speed control. You can see 1 through 6, just like that. And then you have your on-off switch. I'm going to turn it on here. And you can hear it going. It's blowing air in my studio right here. Very nice that they have a switch that stays on. I like that because that way you're not holding a switch down, but it's easy to turn off so that you're not wasting energy as you're walking through your yard. So if you look at the design, you could see on the bottom there's the Venturi input. There's a balanced impeller right there and a DC motor inside here, and then there's cooling vents right there, and then the output of this goes down this tube where they have a mechanical simple strainer right there in case anything gets inside there. And that's basically it. They even have the published decibels. So that's 99 dBs at 1 meter. Now that's pretty loud, but they're all loud. That's how they generate that high thrust. You can see this one is labeled 460 cubic feet per minute, 85 miles per hour. And there's 2 sections on here. The smaller section is what goes onto the blower itself, and then the larger section gets put into itself right here. You line it up and you push down and it locks in place just like that. This is locked in place now. Very solid. Now let's look at the smaller tube, the 190 mile per hour, 125 cubic feet per minute. It has this side that matches the end to the blower. Then this side is unique. You'll notice that it has a little tab extending there, but no tab there. And that mates with this piece right here. There's a mating piece right there. So make sure you line that up like that, and then it's locked in place, ready to use. Now on the blower itself, if you want to use the smaller tube, it goes on the front of the unit, and if you look, it has a tab right there, and that has to be compressed, and that lines up with the one tab on the pipe itself, and that's it. It just locks in place, and now you're ready to use the unit. Now the other one, let's remove this one. You just push that tab right there and you remove it. Now let's try the larger tube right now with a 460 cubic feet per minute. It has the same interface. It has that one opening hole right there. So we're going to line that up. Push that till we hear a locking sound right there, and then you're ready to use the unit. Now you notice on the larger unit it has these openings, and that's what's drawing in air. As the accelerator air goes there, it creates a lower pressure, a vacuum, and it pulls in more air. That's how you get the larger volume of air, but it slows the speed down. So again, it depends on your application. Just experiment, see if it works better for your yard debris. So a lot of times in your garage you have cobwebs and dust, and I'm going to try the 190 mile per hour, 125 cubic feet per minute, because most of this stuff is pretty lightweight. So we're going to turn this on. So you can clearly see that it blew all the dust out of there quite nicely. Here's another area that you always get dust because people are walking on there. And I have one of those greeting pads right there. And I just did it on that, and it totally blew out all the debris on there. Everybody's got a lawnmower that's got grass, debris on there, and there's a section of the wall right there. And it totally just obliterated that debris. And after you cut the lawn, you got the grass clippings on there. You want to get rid of. You can see it's got a lot of power. And you got your garage floor. You want to drive the debris outside. It just totally obliterates it. And another area is right by your garage doors. Did you notice it actually totally removed those thick cobwebs on there? So the first thing I'm going to demonstrate is using the 190 mile per hour because we have some grass clippings that don't have a lot of weight to them. Now we're going to try the 460 cubic feet per minute to push the heavier mulch that's here.
So I think this one was a lot more powerful than the model we used to own, and it's definitely lighter weight. So because of the power though, I was able to clear the area in much less time than the previous model, so I want to keep this one.
So what do I think about the VARSK brand, their 2-in-1 cordless leaf blower? This seems to be a really nicely designed product. It was comfortable to use, had tons of air pressure, had a long-lasting battery. It had the choice of the barrels that I can get a denser air with a slower mile per hour or a less dense air with a faster mile per hour. And as you saw, it worked really well on my yard, and I think you're going to like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.